Welcome back to our Aviation Insights series. In this series, we provide pilots with the necessary tools and knowledge to navigate the skies safely. Today, we'll focus on an essential topic for student pilots and seasoned aviators. Let's simplify understanding VFR weather minimums using the Airspace Triangle. The airspace around us is categorized into various classes, each with its unique rules and requirements, especially concerning visibility and cloud clearance. This classification ensures the safety and efficiency of all flying activities, from commercial flights to private ventures into the sky. At its core, the Airspace Triangle is a visual aid, a simple triangle divided into segments representing different airspace types. This brilliant tool correlates each airspace class with its VFR weather minimums, making it easier for pilots to remember the visibility distances and cloud clearance required for safe flight. It closes the gap between complex regulations and practical application. To craft your airspace triangle, start with a basic triangle representing the overarching structure. Within this, divide the space to illustrate differences in requirements above and below 10,000 feet MSL and separate it into specific airspaces. This layout defines altitude levels and visually differentiates between the areas pilots will encounter, from the ground up to the stratosphere. Each segment of your triangle will detail visibility and cloud clearance specifics. Above 10,000 feet MSL, expect visibility of 5 statute miles and cloud clearances of 1,000 feet above, 1,000 feet below, and 1 statute mile horizontally. Below this altitude, the rules shift slightly, adapting to the denser air and closer quarters of flight. Labeling these requirements clearly makes the triangle a quick reference for pilots planning their routes. With the Airspace Triangle, preparation for pilot exams, in-flight planning, and real-time navigation becomes more intuitive. Regularly practicing with this tool deepens your understanding of airspace classifications and ensures compliance with VFR weather minimums. This knowledge is critical for safe, efficient flying, making each trip safer. The Airspace Triangle is more than just a mnemonic. It's a fundamental resource for pilots of all levels. Simplifying complex information into an easy-to-understand format promotes safer skies for everyone. Remember, regulations can change, so stay updated with the latest from the FAA and other authoritative bodies. That's a wrap on today's flight into the Airspace Triangle. Hope you understand aviation regulations better now. Keep moving forward with the right knowledge and tools. Fly safe.